Metro by T-Mobile is a prepaid wireless service, which means canceling your plan is generally straightforward and flexible compared to traditional contract-based carriers. Because Metro by T-Mobile operates as a prepaid service, you enjoy several key advantages when it comes to canceling. There are no binding contracts to worry about, no early termination fees to pay, and you simply pay month to month for your service. To keep your phone number when leaving Metro by T-Mobile, you need to port it to your new carrier. Porting is the process of transferring your existing phone number from one wireless provider to another, ensuring you don't lose your number when you switch services. The porting process involves three main steps. First, you'll need to research and select a new wireless carrier that meets your needs. Second, gather your Metro by T-Mobile account information, including your account number and transfer PIN. Third, initiate the porting process with your new carrier. There are several critical points to remember. Never cancel your Metro by T-Mobile service until the porting process is completely finished, as this could result in losing your number. Keep in mind that any unused service time on your account is non-refundable. Most importantly, maintain your Metro service active throughout the entire transfer process to ensure a smooth transition. Understanding these fundamentals will help ensure a successful transition from Metro by T-Mobile while keeping your existing phone number. The next section will provide detailed step-by-step instructions for the actual porting and cancellation process. Step 1. Find a new carrier and ensure your phone is compatible with their network. Research different carriers and their plans to find the best option for your needs. Step 2. Gather your Metro by T-Mobile account information. You'll need two key pieces of information: your account number and your transfer PIN. To get your account number, check your billing statement or contact Metro customer service. Dial *611 from your Metro phone or call 888-863-8768 from any phone. To get your transfer PIN, you can use the Metro app or website. Log into your account, go to My Account, then Profile, then Line Settings, and select Request a Transfer PIN. Alternatively, contact customer service. Step 5. Provide your account information to your new carrier to initiate the porting process. They will coordinate the transfer with Metro by T-Mobile. Keep your Metro service active during this process. Once the porting is complete and your number is active with the new carrier, you can cancel your Metro account if desired. Remember to turn off autopay to prevent future charges. Be aware that all charges are non-refundable even after cancellation.